Use lanolin. Lanolin is a type of lubricant that's effective in restoring skin's hydration. Skin tends to lose its moisture from time to time, and lanolin is an excellent moisturizer to heal it. Because lanolin consists of about 5% to 25% of the total weight of wool, it's natural and perfectly safe to use. It's so natural that lanolin is used in more than 90% of baby products as well. Studies have shown that using lanolin for your skin produces significant results to reduce roughness. Applying lanolin on your skin forms a reservoir of moisture in your skin that helps keep your skin hydrated. Lanolin offers a variety of uses as well. It could be used from using it as a simple moisturizer to using it as a raw material to make vitamins. Learn how to use lanolin for your advantage. Read on and find out. Buy lanolin cream from your trusted beauty shop. It wouldn't matter which brand you should use. Lanolin creams have the same content as long as they don't contain any other ingredient that harms your skin or causes allergies. You can use lanolin in various ways to moisturize your hands and feet. Your hands and feet are probably the most abused parts of your body, and because of that, the skin in those areas tends to crack and dry. Household cleaning chemicals play a part in drying out your hands, and your feet. Rubbing on the soles of your shoes dry out your feet's skin as well. Put a small amount of lanolin cream on the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together to spread the cream to cover the whole area. Be aware that lanolin produces slight warmth when rubbed, so don't be alarmed. Massage your hands slightly to absorb it deeper into your skin. Do the same method for your feet. If you're living in a cold environment, wrap your feet with socks to keep moisture longer. To ease nipple pain from breastfeeding. If you're breastfeeding your baby, the trauma it causes to your nipples is overwhelming, and it could cause painful strain. Be sure you buy the lanolin cream that is purified and specifically designed for nursing mothers. Remember that you're feeding your baby at the same area where you apply the lanolin, so be sure that it's safe for him as well. After breastfeeding, wash your nipples and wipe dry. Apply another thin layer of lanolin to your nipple. Apply to the other nipple as well. To break in your baseball gloves. If you have a new pair of baseball gloves, you'll probably notice that the leather is still firm and hard and could cause blisters on your hands. Apply lanolin on your hand before putting on your glove. Once your glove has taken form of your hand's shape and fit, you could be sure that it wouldn't hurt the next time you put it on. To waterproof cloth diaper covers. Another way to use lanolin would be to apply it to wool garments like cloth diaper covers to render it waterproof. Remember that lanolin is natural, so it won't produce rashes or cause any harm to your baby's skin. Remember that when it comes to using lanolin on nipples or cloth diaper covers, where the safety of your baby is on the line, it's always best to consult your doctor. Ask for a recommendation on which brand of lanolin cream to use, and remember to always read product labels.